Hey, welcome to the channel. So today, if you got push mowers that have good bodies but bad engines, don't throw them away if you're a shop, because a lot of times we have customers come in that have bad bodies and good engines, and that's what we're going to do today. Is we're going to do a swap. So hang tight. Alright, so welcome back to the channel. What I'm doing today is I'm just swapping engines out for a customer that has a push mower that she loved, but the body went to hell. So we're trying to take a good body and put the old one on it, put the old motor on it. The engine on this one seized up, and we just left it off to one side so we have it for later. That's all there is to taking that engine off, is just your one bolt for your blade, and then take off your 3 bolts that hold it to the frame. And then you have your cables. I'm just releasing the cable right now. A lot of times just a pair of pliers.
Keep that cable too, because that's a good cable. Just like new. And it does have this, and this is for the rewind. Okay. That one looks longer from the handle up than this one. Well, it shouldn't matter, so. No, because it's the distance between here, this will plug right in here. Yeah. And that should come in. That's the other one, is from that shape cable. Yeah, that's all new stuff. And then, basically just taking this engine, putting it on that. Yeah, to check the blade. That blade come out, that's with the blade. That's 20. Plus you want 20-inch blade to go with that machine anyways. Yeah. On that motor, that should line right up. Then she'll be tickled right with the adjuster wheel.
That fuel tank is there, probably.
Now you want to switch mowers?
No, I can,
Right.
see, I can set them down.
So this is probably got gas. There we go. All right.
When doing this, make sure you unplug the spark plug, because by turning that blade, it could actually start. Do the same thing here. Take the blade off, turn the 3 bolts off, and it should drop right out.
Both with the same threads.
Yeah, exactly.
He set it down. I'll see where he goes.
Those go on the bottom so you don't crack the neck.
Because he didn't have it. I come off of this, that style. And this is this style.
Right, but when you got this,
I'm looking at it.
no, you have to have this blade.
So it is the same distance. This is the only one. Use this blade,
Is that 20?
and they use this.
Yeah, because you need this style. The only way to change it would be take this thing off the motor.
I can do that.
No, you have to shape.
You can say if you didn't take it, I'd see if I could find it on the shelf anyway.
No, that should work. Actually, we should have a new one come with it.
The new one would be like this.
Yeah, that's, no, pretty sure the two new ones that he had sitting on top of his mower, but
This is what come off the other one.
then you never know how they run. But yeah, as long as that's a 20 inch, right, 20 inch deck. Take the old deck with a 20 inch deck.
Use her cable.
Yeah, they don't mess up. Oh no, that's the extra got the handle.
But with these only being on two, should I put it onto this one? With these?
Oh, we're only on four?
Yeah.
That deck didn't have them on it, did it?
Well, we saw it.
So these here, they went to using the bigger washers, and used them both.
Yeah, put your head on it. These are not bad.
Yeah, they got the bigger head and washers on them, so they don't fall through. The only other thing, some of them, the holes, what they use, this one, and this one, because they don't use straight. Yeah. That should be, so that, like that, screw that.
So now we're just gonna reverse putting it back together. Now the other head handle was shorter, so it ended up, we couldn't use this cable, so it's good that I kept the other cables. Use the old one?
Yeah, this don't have. Some of them had 2 sets of holes in them.
See, yours is shorter,
Yeah.
but the cable
Yeah, you probably have to use
is
the
this
old
one
one.
right here, it's come off from it. I go
Right from there to there.
same size. Oh no.
So the distance between here to here. So once you get the cable locked in, then it's gonna be here, but you don't know where this is. This could be longer or shorter. So you just have that bolt right there, and then pop that fucker right out of there. So the cable itself, the external cable is number on it.
I hope I can make it work.
Mhm. 5/16.
Quarter. That's too big. Quarter.
That's a quarter?
Yeah. Ain't gonna hit that.
No. Probably wouldn't hurt to use the oil in it, now if they're gonna use it. Now this one there, they just thought they had to throw it away because it was all rotten.
No, it should be after that. Plug back up.
With this, they're pain in the nuts, so she used the sucker. Has a plug in the bottom of it.
Does she use it that much?
No, I checked the oil, I checked there, it's good, clean.
I'll just clean this up a little bit. Zip ties on. Like that for your toolbox.
Where's the dipstick on?
There's one right
Oh, it's
here.
got a dipstick.
Scroll forward.
Yeah. No, she'll just take over right to death with that. I think that she's got a, she'll like brand new mower, even though motor's old. And that's what I told her. I said, I can get you a good deck. I know I got one, but I said, that's not saying your motor won't take poop and weed. But, well, I don't care as long as, you know. All right.